Let's suppose there is a ship kept in a harbor. It is an old ship, but it is well cared for. Over time, parts of the ship begin to wear out. A wooden plank rots and is replaced. Later, another plank is replaced. Then another. This continues slowly, over many years. Each time a part is replaced, the ship remains seaworthy. It sails, it functions. It is still called the same ship. Now consider this question. After many years, every original plank has been replaced. Is it still the same ship? Most people are tempted to say yes. The ship has continuity. It has history. It has never stopped being itself. Now imagine something else happens. All the original planks that were removed over the years have been carefully stored. Someone takes those original planks and reassembles them into a ship. This second ship is made entirely of the original material. Now there are two ships. One has continuity of use. The other has continuity of material. Which one is the real Ship of Theseus? The ship that was repaired gradually, or the ship rebuilt from the original parts? If you say the first ship is the real one, then identity does not depend on material. But if identity does not depend on material, why did replacing every part not destroy it? If you say the second ship is the real one, then identity depends on original components. But if identity depends on components, why did the first ship remain the same during repairs? Either answer creates tension. You cannot keep all intuitions at once. This is the Ship of Theseus paradox. It is not really about ships. It is about identity through change. Objects change over time. Cells in your body are replaced. Memories fade and are rewritten. Yet we speak as if things persist. The paradox forces a question. What makes something itself? Is it the material it is made of? The continuity of its existence? The function it performs? Or the story we tell about it? Each answer solves one part of the problem and breaks another. There is no single definition of identity that fits all cases without contradiction. The Ship of Theseus shows that identity is not a simple fact. It is a concept stretched across time, holding together change and sameness at once. Sometimes, what something is cannot be separated cleanly from how it became that way. The paradox ends there.